Be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Before performing this service, it is necessary to shut off the water. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. All right, let's slide the water panel into the scale control insert. You'll notice there are slots cut into it. They line up with little tabs here. That snaps into place. Now we're going to put the top on it, which also snaps into place. And the assembly is now ready to be installed inside of your humidifier. I'm your host, Jay. Thank you for watching. For additional help or questions, please feel free to contact us.